How to block and unblock someone on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is quite easy to block or unblock users in Roblox. So to get started with, make sure you launch the application and it is up to date. For that you can visit the Play Store and download the latest version. Once you tap open the Roblox, make sure you log in with your correct credentials. Once you are logged in, you will see interface like this. Now tap on the search icon and search the username of the person that you want to block. Once you have searched for the username, tap on people and it will give you a list of options of username and the unique display name. Tap on the name that you want to block. Now tap on the three dots and here is the block option. As you can see, to unblock you will see a unblock button. Tap on it. If it turns back to add friend, it means you have successfully unblocked the user as well. And this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.